Today, the niche I'm about to show you is literally printing money and views. Look at this channel. It started just 4 months ago and already gained 72,000 plus subscribers with only 61 videos. Here's another one. Over 60,000 subscribers with just 24 videos, and this channel started only a month ago. So yeah, this niche is definitely good to go. And I'm not just going to teach you how to start this type of channel. I'm actually going to post videos every day for the next 30 days as part of this challenge. If you're serious and want to join me, drop a comment below. I'm breaking this down into 4 simple steps: branding, content creation, thumbnail designing, and video editing. And of course, I'll show you some secret tricks that made these channels go viral. This step is super important. You've probably heard the saying, first impression is the last impression. And on YouTube, that's basically 100% true. So let's do a quick little test. Look at these 2 channels. Which one looks more professional? Yeah, obviously this one. Why? Because they're using the same color theme everywhere, and that instantly makes their channel pop and look way more put together. So here's the trick. Pick 2 colors you really like and stay loyal to them. Use those same 2 colors in your logo, your banner, and your thumbnails. This tiny thing alone makes your channel look clean, branded, and professional. And if you have no idea which colors to choose, just hop on ChatGPT and ask for the best 2 color combos based on color psychology. Pick the one that matches your vibe. For channel description, just ask ChatGPT to write a description similar to this. Just copy the competitor description and ask ChatGPT to write similar to that. Creating a video is the most important part, and there are 3 things that make any video go viral: an attention-grabbing script, a viral topic, and eye-catching visuals. Since you're a new creator, the fastest way to get initial views is to make videos on topics that are already trending. And don't worry, it's 100% legal. Just take inspiration and recreate it in your own style. Now let's talk about the script. You need a killer script, not some boring robotic one. We'll use ChatGPT for this, but you need to give it a proper professional prompt. Otherwise, it'll give you a script so bad that you will hate it and probably give up. So just copy the prompt I pinned in the comments. It will give you a perfect script every time. Just paste this formula to ChatGPT. Now ask him to make a script on which topic you want and tell him to write a 2,000-word script. Now you can see the intro.
There's a psychological reason some people never celebrate their birthday, and it has nothing to do with not liking cake.
Your video intro has to be super attractive. If the beginning of your video is boring, people will click off immediately. And when viewers leave early, YouTube stops recommending your video to new audiences. And that's how you get stuck in the 20-30 views jail. For the voiceover, we're going to use Speechma. It's completely free. There's another tool called TTS OpenAI, but it gives you limited characters and then you have to pay. And since we're all a little broke right now, we're choosing Speechma. It has several voice options, but I prefer using Andrew.
Welcome to Speechma. I am Speechma's special multilingual voice.
Just select the voice, paste your script, and you can generate up to 2,000 characters at once. Now type your text here, click the generate button, and then download your audio from here.
Have you ever noticed that the older you get, the more tired you feel around certain friends? Not angry, not upset, just drained.
As you can see in this video, they're using very simple visuals. You can get similar icons from Flaticon, and another great site is FreePic. For editing, CapCut is the best free tool out there. Just import your audio, add your icons, and match them with whatever is being said in the script. You can even animate them. Just click on animation. I usually use the fade in effect. Then go to captions, click generate, and you can change the text color and font. Montserrat is the best font for these types of videos.
There's a psychological reason some people never celebrate their birthday, and it has nothing to do with not liking cake.
Alright guys, for the thumbnail we're going to use free Canva. Just click on custom size, type 1920 for width and 1080 for height, and create a new design. Now remember, use the colors that match your channel theme. Go to elements and add whatever fits your video. Try to keep it simple. Don't add too much text. I'll add a vector of someone sad on their birthday. This looks perfect. Now add your text. As you can see, these 2 colors match and look really clean. Simple but attractive. You can even preview how your thumbnail will look on YouTube using this website. Just upload your thumbnail, write your title, click here, and boom. You can see how it stands out. Pretty cool, right? Now listen to this part very carefully. If your channel is brand new, never upload a video right after creating it. Because if you do, YouTube sees your channel as a bot. And that's exactly why so many people get stuck with 0 views. So after creating your channel, spend 1 to 2 weeks acting like a normal user. Watch videos, like a few, and leave some comments. You can even comment on this video. After that, upload your first video. Now for the title. Go to ChatGPT and ask, suggest the best YouTube titles for a video about your topic. Pick the one that looks perfect. For the description, do the same. Ask ChatGPT to write an SEO-optimized description. Copy it, paste it, and you're done. All right, everything is done. I've taught you everything you need to know. Now don't just watch this video. Go and start your channel. Good luck, you've got this.